On Tuesday, residents of LABAN'S Swer Road had raised an issue on the alleged violation of traffic norms by one of the residents of the locality, SHAHEEN, who had ordered the no parking sign to be painted on the wall along the inroad into the locality. Members of the SENG and of the DORBAR SHNONG had alleged that this illegal activity of the outstationed resident is an insult to the DORBAR SHNONG, especially when he had bypassed the authority of the DORBAR through his actions. One of the members of the KYNTHEI Swer Road Laban, V. Maulong, informed that the particular road, which is not a thoroughfare, has never been a cause of traffic congestion as far as parking or plying of vehicles in the area is concerned. Further, she added that till date, residents of the locality have been living in peaceful coexistence and there has never been a complaint of any sort with regards to the obstruction of vehicles along the inroad.
Ti menta kan ladang ka tu kan ni snam kami kani huri hura tau nak daw jong uwei ubasa kani ka dong jongi ti lately ru ngilai le bani resolve ngilai kren birang ba SHNONG ngilai le pa ka SHNONG ka office ka SHNONG ngilai kren ngilai resolve ka tu kan ni problem da ka bangi kmi lenti banang ya syakmat pan kam dun don show kani ka jing huri hura and lately menta imat dang kanus ni hari Friday
Wednesday was on Wednesday
mo kis ulas dang sa bantho ya ka igwa pilayu i mentan hang thi mo hada jing sisa kani ka dong jungi kam de ka tharafe mo ikali ki balung sya kani ka dong ki de thik tang jing ki pu ki basa kani ka dong jungi ti kam dang kanu ru ka jing penwet ya ka yat ka yeng jong ni ha kani ka dong jungi te kani ka jing le jong ni ubriu ka pen i ba ulas le thambor le si kan sapoi ka por ru le nimtep un fa syukam buat dia kani ka surok ka badi ka bamdi ka jong u ti nakaliang ka jongi ni syukwa ban pentip ni laya pentip sya ka DORBAR SHNONG ni la pentip irang badong ni la pentip irang ba SHNONG ti nginpet nang sya khamat pat ti action. Oh yes, and then habang ikren ngam thanga tray di manager na tip di manu ni syuk ban plan lang ba ka phone mga but ini badi secretary jong ka seng KYNTHEI jongi ni habang ikran yuta ang ngi ba phone nama dan sini dan siapa Amerika phone nang thi ang ki ba tho no ya katuka no parking by order STP fine kata kabadi 1000 but ya kata ka order uyo naki higher authority tilada uyo makna naki higher authority ru ngatrai shwa ba un tho ya kini uhap ban kenjok tin ken ya ka irang ba SHNONG handi ha bagi pentip irang ba SHNONG di pentip EA ti irang ba dong lele ti tip yiru namar ba irang ba SHNONG tip ho ti irang ba dong ru imdan ya kata jing tip tang kata.
Maulong also informed that on contacting a senior police official about the no parking signage that SHAHEEN had ordered to get painted along the wall of the locality, the residents were informed that members of the public are not allowed to act or pass orders without permission of police authorities.
Ang kajongang su kontak ya I bayan mo ibadi ru iparalong ti kajeng kontak jonga I bayan kamdi ka complain kajeng kontak jonga I bayan kalong bangan sukili lada long ni em ba mga lani manu hakadong jongi bangin pendon kam ya kata kekerteng STP ti bayan yang kam julong kumta it's violation. No, it's against the law. Di nakaliang ibayan ro ila phone ya irang ba SHNONG. Tingin sipet kay kabangin le pat na din nang ni.
The Rangbadong of the Swer Road, Edward Karwanlang, while speaking on the issue, informed that even as the DORBAR SHNONG would like to take action on the resident of the locality, SHAHEEN, it would be impossible to do so as the alleged violator is currently living in the United States of America. Karwanlang further informed that punishing the latter's laborers would not seem fit as they were only acting upon Bla's orders.
Ini iPhone begini ki higher up jung police official yung mangdan commission mo ta kum no bunle kum ta mo yung ang ngin system action yung new kama kajing ka long ba umdan ko station don for America so I order ki nong 3 bakin tho ya ni ki tho ni tingi na ka SHNONG ni mo chim hi ka action kini nong tray ru ba nanti nang ni sakmat ba kim ni banget yu ta ba ai order ki but la lalap akum kini ki jingle ba kema ko ba pun kelumar ke senong chao in sim kandang ke di stom ni dan senong ba kum di urut ya ki bot bahala kedi kata ka order ku ai mu ban thoi kata Amerika bi fu ni ki ta ban thom ta kata ka ting ong ko i rang ba dong de ka long benta ka sitom ni ka senong ban pun sitom mendem di man khot in sitom ka di nong tray nama tray balam ni tai mo ba sa ma dam na pa ke bo i thu le si u fu ni kata tengim tip ni nong tray ju urung im la tip kata ta re ban pun sitom stu ye ki ru kam dan ngam sngo dade hadu kata ta re ka ba kong san ka di boleh aku ni akan ni kom buat ladang ni alat ngi se kan ni ba ko